Hey folks, Jesus said the way may be difficult at times, but I will always be there. I want to show you, we've been having a weird, you are loved. This is all the missionaries that have visited our home. And we've been having a hurricane. Sorry guys, 50-year-old house. What we've been having all day long. No, it started last night in the middle of the night. He's got 3 garbage cans full of stuff, and then the mountain apples got blown right out of the tree. I haven't been out here much because I could get hurt. And it's so warm in here. Sorry guys. That's me when I was little. It's so cold out there. We had to get out the hurricane lamp because we ran out of electricity. Here's some big old things that came out. Anyway, this is them. I've opened them. I'll take the insides out and then scoop it, and they become little jars. So we had to have our hurricane lamp out. It was my birthday. Anyway, we had a flood. I woke up at 3:30 and the kitchen was water all over. I decided you might want to know what's going on and where I've been and what's happening. At church today, out the back door. We only had power in part of the chapel. I didn't know because I have allergies and I have to be in air conditioning. Otherwise, I can't live here. And so I try not to let everything in. The bananas took a real hit. But not that bad actually. They look pretty good. There's one that sprouted. They need fertilizer and water, and I transplanted a new one. The palms are doing good. I can't find any of the chickens. I think it was so funny watching all the birds flying all over today. And right, that's a 90-mile-an-hour gust, guys. 60 to 90-mile-an-hour gusts. If they've got 45, we have 90. If they got 25, we have 50. We have double the wind. The street, it actually means main wind. And that's the mountain apple over there. I was wondering how I was going to pick those apples. I love you guys. And my family's in the Pacific Northwest. There's no Happy Seattle one. I didn't watch much of it. Love you all. Bless your hearts. Jesus loves you. I love you. That's what a hurricane sounds like.